I bet you didn't know the magic behind your garden's abundance. Sun-warmed tomatoes bursting with flavor, crisp lettuce begging to be picked, beans climbing high, their pods heavy with promise. This is the magic of a garden, a testament to the power of seeds. But not all seeds are created equal. Some carry stories as old as agriculture itself. Others are products of modern science, engineered for specific traits. These are the heirloom and hybrid seeds, each with a unique place in our gardens and our history. Heirloom seeds, like ancient scrolls, whisper tales of generations past. Passed down through families and communities, they embody a connection of our agricultural heritage. Hybrid seeds, on the other hand, are the result of deliberate cross-pollination, carefully orchestrated by plant breeders to enhance desirable characteristics. This exploration delves into the fascinating world of heirloom and hybrid seeds, unraveling their differences, benefits, and challenges. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, understanding these distinctions empowers you to make more informed choices for your garden, your plate, and your future of our food. And stay tuned for some more fun friggin' facts along the way. Section 2. Seeds through time. Heirloom versus hybrids. Heirloom seeds are the keepers of tradition, their lineage stretching back at least 50 years, often much longer. These seeds are open pollinated, meaning they reproduce naturally through wind, insect, or birds. Saving seeds from heirlooms allow gardeners to perpetuate these unique varieties year after year. Hybrid seeds, however, are the result of a calculated union. Plant breeders meticulously cross-pollinate two carefully selected parent plants to combine desirable traits such as disease resistance, increased yields, or uniform appearance. This process, while producing remarkable results, often leads to seeds that don't breed true to the type if replanted. Imagine a farmer selecting the tastiest, most robust tomato plants from his field year after year. He saves seeds from these superior specimens, ensuring their desirable traits are passed down. This, in essence, is the story of heirloom seeds, a testament to the power of selection and the slow, steady hand of time. Hybrids, on the other hand, are the outcome of a more deliberate approach. Imagine a scientist carefully transferring pollen from a disease-resistant tomato plant to another known for its high yield. This intentional crossbreeding results in a hybrid offspring inheriting the best of both parents. Section 3. Heirloom advantages. A taste of the past. Heirloom varieties offer a sensory experience often absent in the hybridized counterparts. Their flavors, honed over generations of open pollination, are complex and nuanced. Each bite tells a story of adaptation, resilience, and the intimate dance between plant and place. Beyond taste, heirlooms boost a captivating diversity. Their shapes, sizes, and colors a far cry from the uniformity seen in the supermarkets. The diversity extends beyond aesthetics, contributing to the greater genetic resilience and adaptability in the face of changing climate and evolving pests. Imagine biting into a brandy-wine tomato, its pink flesh bursting with the sweetness unknown in commercially grown varieties, or savoring the rich, earthy flavor of a Cherokee purple, its deep, dusky hue hinting its long journey from the gardens of the Cherokee Nation. This genetic diversity, a hallmark of heirloom varieties, is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. It's a reminder that the flavor, resilience, and the beauty are intertwined, a testament to the intricate web of life that sustains us. Section 4. Heirloom challenges the price of history. While heirloom seeds offer a connection to the past and the symphony of flavors, they also present challenges for the modern gardener. Their adaptability, honed over generations and specific regions, can sometimes translate to finickiness in unfamiliar environments. Heirloom varieties, often lacking the disease resistance bred into many hybrids, might require more attention and care to thrive. Their yields, while often adequate for home gardeners, might not meet the demands of large-scale commercial agriculture. Imagine an heirloom tomato variety perfectly adapted to the long, hot summers of the Mediterranean. Transplanted into a cooler, wetter climate, it might struggle to produce the same abundance. This is not to say heirlooms are inherently delicate. Rather, it underscores the importance of understanding their origins, choosing varieties suited to your climate, and providing care they need to flourish. Hybrid seeds, the product of scientific ingenuity, have revolutionized agriculture. Their ability to combine desirable traits has led to higher yields, increased disease resistance, and improved uniformity, making them particularly attractive to commercial growers. Hybrids often exhibit greater vigor and faster growth rates, translate into quicker harvest and increased productivity. Their uniformity simplifies planting, harvesting, and processing, making them well suited for large-scale operations. Imagine a field of hybrid corn, its stalk standing tall and uniform, each ear heavy with kernels. This uniformity, a result of careful breeding, allows for efficient harvesting and processing, a boon for farmers feeding a growing population. Hybrids have undoubtedly played a crucial role in increasing food production and feeding the world. Their ability to thrive in challenging conditions and resistant disease has made them an invaluable asset to farmers worldwide. The very process that makes hybrids so successful, the precise control of their percentage, also creates limitations. Saving seeds from hybrids often results in offsprings that don't resemble their parents, leading to unpredictable results in the garden. This depends on seed companies from each planting season, raises concerns about seed sovereignty and the potential loss of genetic diversity. Moreover, the relentless pursuit of specific traits can sometimes come at the expense of flavor and nutritional value. Imagine a farmer year after year purchasing hybrid seeds from the same company. The reliance on external sources for something as fundamental as seeds raises the questions about long-term sustainability and vulnerability in the food system. The challenge lies in finding a balance between harnessing the benefits of hybrid vigor while preserving genetic diversity and ensuring the long-term resilience of our food supply. You need to hear this if you're a garden enthusiast who loves Fun Friggen Facts. The heirloom versus the hybrid debate isn't about choosing sides. It's about finding the right seeds for your needs and values. Consider your gardening goals, available space, and commitment to seed saving when making your selection. For beginners, experimenting with a mix of both heirloom and hybrid varieties offers a taste of the diverse world of seeds. Start with hybrids known for their ease of growth and disease resistance, gradually incorporating heirlooms as your confidence grows. Imagine a garden where heirloom tomatoes bursting with flavor share spaces with disease-resistant hybrid cucumbers and high-yielding zucchini. This blend of tradition and innovation allows you to savor the best of both worlds. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Embrace the opportunity to learn, experiment, and create a garden that reflects your unique preferences and contributes to a more diverse and resilient food system. The heirloom versus the hybrid conversation extends beyond our gardens, touching upon broader issues of biodiversity, food security, and the future of agriculture. Preserving heirloom varieties safeguards our culinary heritage and ensures a reservoir of genetic diversity for future generations. Supporting sustainable seed companies committed to open pollination and responsible breeding practices fosters a more resilient and equitable food system. The gardeners and consumers, our choices have the power to shape the future of our seed and our food. Imagine a world where seed libraries flourish, sharing heirloom varieties and knowledge across communities, where farmers and breeders collaborate to develop hybrid varieties that prioritize flavor, nutrition, and environmental sustainability. By embracing diversity, supporting sustainable practices, and celebrating the interconnectedness of our food system, we can cultivate a future where both heirlooms and hybrids thrive, ensuring a vibrant and delicious legacy for generations to come. Thanks for joining Fun Friggen Facts.